right, welcome back to another live trading session. Today's Friday, the 17th, July 17th. And yeah, I already marked up the charts as you can see in the other video, and today's only going to be the live session. I'm going to watch the MNQ. And my draw, as you'll see, this is my main draw, but I would prefer to see the sell side being taken out first, and then I will look for this buy side, which also makes sense in the bigger context because we have strong support down here and we went down aggressively, and on Friday we usually tend to, come back into the range. So that's the thing here. All right, market opened. Opening range gap is red. That means it's strong bearish. Strong bearish. This also means that my upside is definitely limited in terms of longing. So I'm only going to look for this lower quadrant and the CE level up here. But that incorporates these clean levels, so that's okay. So I can definitely long into these levels here, because I'm not longing further than the CE of the opening range gap here, and that's up here, right? So let's see if we can get that sell side swiped first. That would be nice. Or what I also outlined was we fill or mitigate this area here, 5 minute and 50 minute SIBI, then go lower, and then later on come back up. Could also be the case. What I would not like to see is not taking out any sell side and going directly up here. I would not like that, to be honest, because then we could turn around at any moment and go for the sell side, so we'll see. We will see. But this is also, I think, the weekly busy perfectly at the CE. It's crazy accurate. Let me just quickly check the sessions. Okay, so this is London low. So either AM continuation lower or manipulation lower. Let's see. All right. Let's check the ES also. Okay. So NQ is going higher. ES is not going higher yet. So I'm just writing down what I see. Market opened. We formed a small up move. Yeah. And let me just check. That's the 25K account. Okay, that's good. Here. Okay, if we go lower here, that would be really nice, because then we would also have clean eyes up here. Just marking that up real quick. But just in general, these liquidity levels in here are also really fucking clean. Mark it up like that. Oh, I love that. Please, I hope we take out the hourly low. That would be so nice. That would be okay. This might again be really FOMO inducing, bro. The market is really, like yesterday and today, it really looks so fucking clean, and the draws are so strong. The Judas swing is clear. Very FOMO inducing, so I definitely have to watch out not to jump the gun on any setups here. So I definitely have to watch out. But I love that. I simply love it. It's good. We're going lower. 1 hour trend liquidity here. About to take out trend LQ. This is already a valid Judas swing to the downside. All right, hourly taken out. It's good. Perfect. Let's get rid of this. First 4-hour low taken out. Love it. So at the moment, I would have to wait for the 1 minute to inverse. For any longs. Check the 15-minute real quick. Okay, also no resistance. Oh my god. Okay, this is looking good. I love it. I love that. 5 minute. So this is definitely our first draw in here. So we're definitely gonna get rid of a few contracts in here. This is the next clean level up here, these liquidities, and then this is our major draw for the day, and maybe one runner up here, but definitely most of it will be scaled out over these levels here, and then this is the major target here. Okay, we're going down lower. Let's see if we can take out the next 4-hour low. That would be nice. ES is also going lower, so we are in sync. That's always nice to have. What is definitely important here is to stay patient, right? We cannot jump the gun here. We have to stay patient. But if I would, let's see. So this 15-minute CE is a major draw for me. I'm just gonna mark up my targets. Obviously the 15-minute buy side, and then I will take this one here as well. And then I'm just gonna do that in blue as well. Okay, so these are my 3 major targets here, and then effectively one possible runner up here as well. So these are my 4 targets here. So that's the 50-minute SIBI here, right above these clean highs. That's also a very clean level here. That's my main draw on the basis of the session highs and 50-minute relative equal highs, and that's the hourly SIBI CE to be filled as well. And we're going lower. I like that. 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minutes. All right, we're probably gonna form a 5-minute SIBI in here, so if we can invert that later on, that would be nice. Let's mark that up here real quick. Well, it's 2 minutes still. All right, let's see. Tap the far low. Took out second 4-hour low and mitigating the end block now. Okay, that's perfect. I love it. Oops. Get rid of this. One minute 20 on the ES. Let me see. 15 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, we're going lower. So filling this CE would actually be optimal, and I don't need more than that. I just would love to see this CE being taken out. If not, then I don't care. But if we take out the CE, the Judas is definitely over for me. So I don't need to see any more sell side than that. Okay, we got a 5-minute SIBI up here. Obviously, we will not just trade an inversion of any 1-minute gap. I need to see at least a MSS or a change of character to the upside, so nothing here yet. Let's see. Okay, ES is already going higher here. Okay, we're going lower. Now we took out the CE. It's nice. So this Judas is definitely valid, and now we also have a structure where the MSS can form. But we have to keep the 5-minute in mind. So a 1-minute break of market structure shift to the upside can just be a 5-minute mitigation and then continuation lower. So, you know, we have to watch out there. But if you put it in context with the great support we have, with the Judas swing, with the draws, then you can be more aggressive and disregard the lower time frame SIBIs a bit more, but still, watch out. Okay, 2 minutes till next 5 minutes gap. Okay, let me write that down. Mitigate it and block CE. Judas is now over. Don't need more sell side distribution. Watch the 5 minutes. Okay. The ES is also going lower now again, close below the 1 minute. And now probably going for the far low. I'll quickly show you. So this is the ES, quickly went higher, reclaimed the 1 minute here and going for the far low, which is this one right here, right? Okay, 30 seconds. Can already mark up the gap here. So that's going to be the 15-minute gap. And at 45, we also have to check the 15-minute, obviously. But it's just one big gap, so there's no SIBI in there. So we only have to watch the 5-minute. Down here. That is very aggressive to the downside, so we definitely have to watch out. So we still have that MSS up here. So I'm not gonna just enter on an inversion. I really need to break to the upside, and then I still have to watch out for the 5-minute SIBI up here. So we're still gonna stay patient here. Okay, apparently funded next. Patch the CPI method. I just got a warning that micro scalping is not allowed anymore. So if you're doing the CPI technique, you definitely have to hold for longer than 10 seconds apparently. Which for most CPI, you know, where it works out, it's just rallying for a couple of minutes. So I don't know, it doesn't make sense. But just so you know, because you only get one warning. If you do it again, then you get banned or something. All right, let's see. Okay, at the moment we have an SMT bottom here with ES. It's good, I like it. Because ES had a failure swing. So this low should be protected here. Risk 300. Okay. Let me just pop up my soul here. For this account, I'm gonna do with 300. For this one, 180. What? I can only do one? Damn, okay, that sucks. That sucks. Okay, we're going up. MSS here. We inverted the lowest one. It's nice. Let's see what we get. Because now we also tap the 5 minutes, so I'm not longing yet because the 5 minute could still hold us down and give us another rally down, but we'll see. We'll see. But the MSS is here now, so if we go lower, retest this one maybe, and then break up to the upside, then I would enter. Let's see. No, probably I have to go for 2 contracts because otherwise it would not be too nice. $25 seconds till 5 minute close. ES is already moving higher aggressively. Okay, 10 a.m. macro starting now, 9:50. Let's see if we can get a high here, that would be nice. Okay, inverted the next 1 minute here. Can't really like that, how it looks. Let me get one entry in here. Bro. Don't tell me that. Nah. Are you for real right now? That is so unnecessary. Bro. Okay, seems like I can't even trade. At least with this TradeProcessLab account here. But that's a bit unnecessary here. We're still gonna watch. You know, we can always learn something from every session, so we're gonna keep watching. Okay, still playing the 5 minute here. Really like that though. We could move up aggressively. Still 200 points. It's crazy. Take with this for now. 2 minutes till 5 minute close. I love this structure. Clean Judas. The draws are incredibly strong. I love it. The 5 minutes showing power as well. It's good. Sucks that I can't trade with my main accounts here, but you know, can't do anything about it, can I? Let's test the other one though. It should not work in general, right? No, TradeProcessLab is down. Okay, 1 minute till 5 minute close. I'm up $200 on my private account. Seconds. Would also be nice to see the second one to be inverted as well. That would be very, very nice. Okay, we got the close. Nice. That's very, very nice. Okay, let's see. It should move pretty quickly though. It should move pretty quickly. Now it's up for the first AM. If we invert that, that would be nice. then we basically don't have any resistance anymore, at least for our first target up here. So let's see. ES has also arrived at these major draws up here, so that's about to be taken out now. And then we're gonna go for the 50-minute up here. It's nice. When we take out the buy side up here, I'm gonna go break even, and then I don't have any risk anymore for the day. Gonna mark up the CE for this one. If we invert the first AM, I'm gonna cut to this point here. Seconds. Okay, we closed above. Nice. Cutting the stop loss now. Okay, ES is taking out these levels now. It's nice. Damn, that's a lot of blue candles in a row. Let's see, we might get a 10 AM spike here into the liquidity levels. Could be expected. Okay, and let's see. Can I go break even? Not yet. Let's get rid of the 10 AM marking here. Ten seconds till 10 AM. Two, 1. 10 AM hit. And boom, there's our spike. Now we can go break even. First contract is out. Second contract is up here. Let's see if we can get that. My next level. We also have a new 5-minute busy in here. It's getting a bit crowded here, I know, but okay, it's getting strong. Damn, okay, it was a nice close. Let's see. Can we get the target here immediately? Would be very nice. Is that gonna be the first black candle here? Since that run? Yes, it is. Crazy, crazy run. Okay, I'm out. Boom. Both targets hit. Another great session. Bro, it is so unfortunate I wasn't able to trade with my prop firms. But for my private account, I think I made 600, 700 bucks, I think. Damn. Okay. Today would have been a crazy day with the prop firms. That sucks, bro. Crazy. Whatever. Is what it is. Happens sometimes. But we can definitely be proud about this analysis here. Now the second target is officially hit. And the main target is up here, which I was looking for, but I'm already content with this. You know, because I was only able to have 2 contracts on my private equity account, so I had to take out one here and one here. For the prop firms, I would have been able to have like 4 contracts probably, or 5, so there I could have held for these higher up targets, but I'm content. Let's still watch this here if it works out like that. And now, like, seeing here, I maybe could have entered with this one because the Judas was so clear, the SMT bottom was so clear. We had the strong support and the end walk here. I maybe could have entered more aggressively, because my entry was relatively high up here, and then another one up here. Yeah, but it was okay. Still, I'm content. So 50 seconds till the next 5 minutes. Damn, ES is also exploding. Crazy. It already took out the draw for the day. So ES is actually already up here. Has already taken out these levels. It's a good Friday though. It's a good Friday. And it was actually perfect because, as you'll see in my other video, or I'm not sure if I talked about that, but we dropped aggressively throughout the week, right? And on Friday we usually come back into the range, and that's exactly what makes the setup so good, right? Because we took out the sell side, we filled the support areas, and then we got the inversion to the upside, and we have clean draws, and then we have Friday on top of that, where we usually return back into the range. So that was just optimal here. Could not be any better, and you can also see, like, this is only blue, like there is no bearish anything in here. It's just only bull candles. It's crazy. Probably gonna be filled up here pretty fast. Let's see. Okay, we got a new 5 minute up up here now, but we're probably not even gonna go for that too. Probably not even gonna mitigate that. Right, we can get rid of these gaps here. Oh, I still need a screenshot. Downloads. Okay. Now we can get rid of these. Target. So 10 a.m. close was here. So we also closed above this 15-minute Sibian here, as you'll see. Oh, never mind. Oh, I have to not look at the 10 a.m. but the 59. So we still close below. Never mind. But you know, if the higher time frame is on your side, then these lower time frame Sibis don't matter at all. You can see that here. You know, we merely retested them, but it's just like a trampoline or a way to the buy side. Let's see. 50-minute draw of the day for me, and then if it hits up here, I'm done with my analysis. This is also the lower quadrant of the opening range gap here, this red line, which we usually see a bit of retracement off of before we go higher, but here it was very, you know, still kept being bullish. So it's aggressively bullish today. It's crazy. Now it should get us filled and then get a lot slower. Looking good. We have the silver bullet here. Probably not even gonna use it. Come on, give me that. Give me that. Where's my magnet? We need the magnet. Okay, it's already filled. All right, so the major draw of the day is filled. Now let's quickly pull it up here to the hourly CE. Come on, give me that. Boom, there we go. Thank you, appreciate it. All right, so that's it for today. As you saw, we outlined the Judas swing, we saw the inversion, and this was a pretty quick run, but we definitely outlined all of these targets as well. So thank you for tuning in, and see you next time. Peace.